An average man can do about 10 to 20 push ups, but when it comes to pull up, it's zero. An average man can't pull his own body weight. Why are pull ups so hard? In this video, I would break down 5 reasons why pull ups are so hard, and at end of the video, I will show you how you could achieve your first pull up. Reason number 1 is modern lifestyle. As the world gets more urbanized, life requires less and less physical effort. More desk jobs, more screen, and being lazy, and rarely lifting anything. Our bodies evolved for climbing, pulling, carrying heavy loads. These movements kept their back and grip naturally stronger. Our lazy lifestyle makes our pulling musculature very weak. We have crazy potential just waiting to be unlocked. Reason number 2 is body weight strength. A pull-up is different from most exercises. Let's take push-up for an example. During a push-up, you are only lifting 60% of your body weight, but in a pull-up, you are lifting 100% of your body weight. Pull-ups are naturally harder. That's why it's common to see people with crazy pushing strength, but they could barely do 5 pull-ups. On a side note guys, I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of April. If you could like and subscribe the video, it would be really helpful to me. Reason number 3 is grip strength. The foundation of a pull-up is your grip. A weaker grip means a weaker pull-up. There's a reason why elite athletes train their grip. Your hands is the first connection with the pull-up bar. So if that connection is weak, the whole movement is ruined. Most people can't even hang for a minute. This makes the pull-up even more harder. Reason number 4 is requires equipment. Most people don't want to get up and go find a pull-up bar, go to a park, or set up a pull-up bar at their home. They are too lazy to do that. So they simply never train that movement. The next reason is the biggest one. Reason number 5 is lack of progression. Most people think that if they keep trying to do the pull-up, they would achieve it one day. But that's partially true. Pull-up is not just your back muscles, but your arms, your grip, your biceps, your core. Each muscle working in a sync. If one is weakened, the whole pulling movement is weak. So beginner should learn by doing negative pull-ups, bicep curls, core exercises, etc. to get better at pull-ups. Now you know why pull-ups are so hard, but I have the solution. I would tell you how you could achieve your first pull-up. You don't need a complicated workout, you just need to train the movement 2 to 3 times a week. Start with a pull-up variation you are comfortable with. Do assisted pull-ups, negative pull-ups, Australian pull-ups. Your goal is simple. Achieve 8 clean repetitions. After you achieve 8 clean repetitions of each exercise, then move on to a harder variation, like a lighter band resistance pull-up, Australian pull-ups with added weight, and a slower negative pull-up. This helps to bridge the gap between variations and a normal pull-up. Keep training consistently and one day you would earn your pull-up.